Welcome friends on Riths recipes. Today we are going to make malai almond cake. For that we need 1 bowl of malai, crushed almonds. If you want to add fresh almonds, you can add that also. Sugar, ghee, maida, almond essence, baking powder and soda. First, in a bowl we take maida, then add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spoons of sugar, almonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons of ghee and mix it well. After that we add malai, and mix it well. Then add little bit of water and mix it well. After that we just add 1 spoon of baking powder and half spoon of soda, then 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence, almond essence, sorry, and mix it well. See, our mixture is ready and fluffy. Now we just take a mold, grease it with the oil, and put the mixture in it. Put in the refrigerator for 200 degrees Celsius for half an hour.